What if just a few minutes of play every day could help your 6-month-old baby become smarter, stronger, and more confident? At 6 months, your baby is learning at an incredible pace. Every smile, every reach, every roll, and every sound is helping build millions of brain connections that support future learning. In this video, we'll share 10 simple, fun, and science-backed development activities that can boost your baby's physical, cognitive, language, and sensory skills, all through play. 1. Tummy time adventures. Even if your baby can roll over, tummy time is still important. Place colorful toys just out of reach to encourage reaching, pivoting, and crawling movements. This strengthens the neck, shoulders, back, and arm muscles. 2. Sit and explore. Help your baby sit with support using pillows or your lap. Offer different toys to hold and explore. Sitting improves balance, strengthens the core, and prepares your baby for independent sitting. 3. Reach and grab games. Hold a toy slightly away from your baby and encourage them to reach for it. This simple activity improves hand-eye coordination, muscle control, and problem-solving skills. 4. Talk, sing, and read together. Your baby loves hearing your voice. Describe what you're doing, sing nursery rhymes, and read colorful picture books every day. These activities build vocabulary, listening skills, and early language development. 5. Mirror play. Place an unbreakable baby-safe mirror in front of your little one. Babies enjoy looking at faces and expressions, helping develop self-awareness, social interaction, and visual tracking. 6. Sensory exploration. Let your baby safely explore toys with different textures, shapes, and sounds. Soft fabric, crinkly toys, rattles, and silicone teethers stimulate the senses and encourage curiosity. 7. Peekaboo fun. Cover your face with your hands or a small cloth and happily say, "Peekaboo." This classic game teaches object permanence, the understanding that people and objects still exist even when hidden. 8. Encourage rolling. Place favorite toys on either side of your baby to encourage rolling. Rolling strengthens the whole body and prepares your little one for crawling. 9. Music and movement play. Gentle music and move your baby's hands and feet to the rhythm. Dance together, clap softly, or gently bounce while holding your baby. Music supports brain development, coordination, and emotional bonding. 10. Safe floor play. Give your baby plenty of supervised floor time in a safe space. Avoid keeping your baby in swings, walkers, or bouncers for long periods. Free movement encourages natural motor development and builds confidence. Remember, every baby develops at their own pace. Some may master new skills earlier, while others simply need a little more time. Celebrate every small achievement, encourage exploration, and most importantly, enjoy these precious moments together. Your love, attention, and daily interaction are the most powerful tools for your baby's healthy development. If you found these activities helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more baby development tips, and let us know in the comments, which activity does your 6-month-old enjoy the most? We'd love to hear from you.